Hello guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to Drew Tutorial. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to pin OBS Studio to your taskbar on a Windows 11 PC. So as you can see here guys, I'm on my Windows PC. I'm going to open up the OBS Studio right here. And once this application is open, in order to pin it, just simple find it on your taskbar, right click on that and click and pin. So it simply means that whenever you're ready to use OBS Studio, you don't have to find it, whether it's not on your desktop or not. If it's on my desktop, I can even delete it because I don't need it there anymore. And I can just simply open it directly from my taskbar, and that's it. Now, if you want to quickly use OBS Studio by using hotkeys, it is super easy to do. Just go ahead and click settings here in the OBS Studio and go down to where it says hotkeys, and you can set the record, the stop, and even the pause in for these hotkeys. And to set hotkeys is pretty much easy. So let's say I want to set a hotkey for enable preview. I can say R, for example, and you can see that I added there. You can always remove anything that you don't want by simple removing it. You can remove anything that you don't want by simple clicking the delete button here, and you will see that it removes it for you. And that's all that you have to do, guys. Now, once you're done, just simple go ahead and click and apply. And that's all that you have to do, guys. Very easy and very simple. And that's going to allow you to actually pin it to your taskbar and use the hotkeys to start recording whenever you want. That's it.